Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. One question we're asked is, can anyone do CPR? In this video, we spoke to Dr. Filip Zemrak, a consultant cardiologist, while filming our ToBe Heartsafe training course, and asked him.
CPR stands for Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation. It's a process of mostly starting chest compressions, so you take over the function of the heart. The heart should pump blood to the organs, to the brain, but also internally to the heart. By providing CPR, so by providing chest compressions, you take over this function. If your heart stops, it goes into an abnormal rhythm, or there's something wrong with it, it stops. A person goes into a state of cardiac arrest. With CPR, you provide time, or you provide similar function as the heart does, but do it externally. In the long term, or in a short period of time, it can provide circulation, also buy you time to provide more professional care. And in quite a lot of cases, it can save life.